Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you some free alternatives that let you create documents, spreadsheets, and presentations without spending a dime. Let's dive right in. First up is Google Workspace. That's Google Docs, Sheets, and Slides. These are free, cloud-based, and work right in your browser. You can create and edit documents, spreadsheets, and presentations, and all changes are saved automatically. Plus, sharing and collaborating with others is super easy. Just send a link. All you need is a Google account, and you're good to go. Next is LibreOffice. If you prefer something you can install on your computer, this is a fantastic open-source suite. It's got Writer, Calc, and Impress, which are Word, Excel, and PowerPoint twins. LibreOffice works on Windows, Mac, and Linux, and it can open and save Microsoft Office files, so you won't have any trouble sharing with others. And then there's WPS Office. This one looks and feels a lot like Microsoft Office, so if you're used to that layout, you'll feel right at home. WPS Office has Writer, Spreadsheets, and Presentation, and it's available for Windows, Mac, Linux, and even mobile devices. The free version covers all the basics, though you might see a few ads here and there. So there you have it, Google Workspace, LibreOffice, and WPS Office. 3 free alternatives to Microsoft Office that can handle all your document needs without breaking the bank. Whether you're a student, a freelancer, or need to write up a quick letter, these tools have you covered. If you found this helpful, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss more easy tech tips. And if you want to supercharge your workflow, check out my next video on 2025's best free AI tools for content creation. Click the video in the top right corner. Thanks for watching and happy creating.